This is my first time charging the R32 system, which is low in refrigerant charge, as you can tell. So I don't know if you noticed, but you use your regular right-handed screw-on refrigerant connectors, but in order to connect to the tank, you need this you need the left-handed adapter. It's not to connect to the unit. It's your regular right-handed, but you just need this to connect to the R32 or the other A2L refrigerant tanks for charging only. You see, it's calling for 7 to 9 degrees of subcooling. Superheat 15 to 17. Superheat is 22.5 and subcooling is like 2 degrees, so I gotta add some gas. And it doesn't have a leak because this is a new install. I have charged the system, and my subcooling is right on par, 8.8, right at almost 9 as it calls for. My superheat is 21.6, so I gotta go adjust the valve in there. They want that between 15 and 17 degrees. So I gotta go decrease the superheat and make sure everything else is correct inside. But it's not got a high load. So my subcooling right, I gotta go adjust my stem. But everything else looks fine. The reason my superheat is like 22 degrees is because it's like 78 degrees. And as you can see, this is a open return to the attic space. And I also noticed that one of the supply grills is like just capped off when it should be sitting down in one of these grills to supply air to this space. And the THV is up in there.